Hi, my name is Kelly Madrid. Today's date's November 5th, 2019, and it is lab video for bacterial enumeration, part 1 and part 2 of dilution and viable plate counts. Okay, so as you can see, I already set up. So I have my distilled water, my alcohol. I'm gonna actually put some alcohol in here so it can sterilize. And then I have 6 agar plates with 6 tubes, and I have my yeast, okay? The tubes have been labeled 10-1, 10-2, 10-3, 10-4, all the way to 10-6, and then same thing with my agar plates. My yeast, as you can see right here, I mixed 1/4 teaspoon of yeast, which is the S. cerevisiae, and then 2 tablespoons of tap warm water. And then I mixed it and let it sit for 10 minutes, okay? As it sterilized, I emptied it out, make sure it was sterilized, emptied it out in the sink, take out every little piece of drop of alcohol in there, and then I got 2.25 mLs of water and placed 2.25 mLs in each tube. And then just got it and then did it right there. So now they're, as you can see, they're filled with 2.25 of distilled water, not sterile water, sorry, distilled water. And you can see it's labeled 10-1. All right, I'm gonna put it right there. I can fix this. All right, so after I did that, after you put 2.25 mLs of distilled water in each tube, I'm gonna mix my yeast, which is the S. cerevisiae, or cerevisiae, sorry. Mix it, evenly distribute it, and then I'm gonna collect 0.25 mLs of this yeast and put it on 10-1. Okay. Okay. Gonna put it in this tube right here. All right. So I'm gonna stick my tube in there and make sure that this is all evenly distributed out, okay? You can see, distribute it out. So now what I'm gonna do from the 10-1 tube, I'm gonna collect a 0.25 mLs, and then, let me do that again. All right, put this tube back and put it to my 10-2 tube. See? And just put that 0.25 mLs from the 10-1 tube to the 10-2. Same thing, I'm gonna mix it, make sure that there's nothing left on this tube. See right there. And then I'm gonna collect 0.25 mLs and then put into tube 10-3 and so forth until the 6th tube, okay? Give me a minute. Kind of hard to see where the line is at. Okay, so this is a little hard just because, there we are. So I put it in 10-3, same thing, put this back in here and just mix until everything comes out, okay? 10-3, gonna collect another 0.25 mLs. Sorry, I'm a little shaky. Gonna turn it around. So from the 10-3, I'm gonna put it to my 10-4 tubes, okay? 10-4 tube. There you are. Mix it, make sure there's nothing in here. And I'm gonna collect another 0.25, and I'll go on until tube 6. Okay, sorry. This is 10-5 tube, same thing, mix it. Okay, 10-5, and then my last tube right here, 10-6. All right, same thing, I'm gonna mix it, make sure there's nothing there. All right. And then from there, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to test tube 10-1. Right there. You can see my test tube 10-1 is right here. So I'm getting my agar plate. As you can see, this is yeast 10-1 nutrient agar. So from the test tube 10-1, I'm gonna get 0.125 mLs, which is 4 drops, and place it on here, okay? Small side is gonna be face down. Before I do that, I'm gonna get a little bit of distilled water, fill it up, shake it, can let it sit there for a bit, 20 seconds, and then just rinse it out, okay? All right, so I'm gonna turn this around carefully because these tubes tend to fall. All right, so as you can see, test 1 tube, and then this is my 10-1 agar plate. I'm gonna collect 0.125 mLs. There we are. Put that there. And then do 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we are. And now what I'm gonna do is evenly distribute this around. Okay. And then I'm gonna continue to do those 4 drops. I'm gonna get test tube 10-2, put it on the agar plate 10-2, 4 drops, and so forth with its corresponding agar plate. And then from there, what I'm gonna do is gonna close this like this. Let this sit in the incubation for 12 hours, and after 12 hours, we'll be turning them around with the agar facing up. And then leave it on in incubation for another 36 hours. And after 36 hours, I will be monitoring it, basically seeing if there's any microbes. Basically do the, I think it's called the colony form. I think it's basically looking at the colony, and it's CFUs. So it's colony form units. I'll be looking at that and then be recording my results. Thank you.